Hello, it's me, Carter, and Mom again. If this is your first time watching these, we're making more. We already made one, so go check that one out. Like and subscribe, and comment which book we should do next. And this is the book we're doing today.
What's it called?
Little Blue. And the book we're reading today is Little Blue Truck's Christmas.
There you go.
And there's a secret surprise we're not going to tell you at the end. And this is Whiskers, if you haven't seen it from the first video.
You ready to start?
Yeah.
Little Blue Truck's Christmas.
Little Blue Truck's Christmas.
It's your job to make sure it's still in the frame, okay?
Okay.
Beep, beep,
Beep,
beep.
beep.
December's here. Little Blue Truck is full of cheer. Every Christmas, Little Blue has a delivery job to do. 5 trees ready to take a ride. How many trees will fit inside? 1 tree, 2 trees, 3 trees, 4. Just enough room for 1 tree more. 5 green trees make 1 big load. Beep, says Blue. Let's hit the road. Blue has friends both far and near. Who needs a Christmas tree this year? Honk, says the goose. This big one, please. Now there are 4 green Christmas trees. Moo, says the cow. This tall one, please. Now there are 3 green Christmas trees. Oink, says the pig. This fat one, please. Now there are 2 green Christmas trees. Ah, says the goat. This short one, please.
But now you gotta get it up close for the last one.
Now there is 1 green Christmas tree. 1 tree left in a little blue truck. 1 tree left. What very good luck. Look at Whiskers.
I know.
She's so cute.
Yeah.
You ready for the surprise?
Yeah.
Little blue truck needs a Christmas tree. Beep, beep, beep. This one's for me.
And then that's the surprise. It lights up at the end of the book.
The end.
Like
One more time.
and subscribe. Check out our other videos.
Bye, Whiskers.
Bye.
Mwah.
Say bye to Whiskers. Bye. Wait, don't end it. And we're making one right after this. So check the next one out right now if you're watching this one.
All good?
Yep.